Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. It is Saturday, January 20th, and today I had a little adventure with my daughter, and I went and got my hair cut. Okay, I haven't had a hair cut and styled since, oh my gosh, I could say 2020, since COVID started. Okay, so the fear of COVID, I said it, COVID. When it started back in 2020, I just became like, I didn't want to, I was fearful. I didn't want to go into the salons. Up to now, it's safe. I know it's safe. But back then, that's what really put me in that hole of a mental frame. So I didn't want to go get my hair cut. And my hair it was literally past my bottom, my butt. So I was like, it's time. So my daughter did take me out and got my hair done. And while we were out, I went to Hobby Lobby and Marshall's. So let's get into it. Let's go over Hobby Lobby because I think the other thing from Marshall's is, it is what it is. All right. I'm just getting this stuff out, guys. All right. This box is from Hobby Lobby, and the Hobby Lobby my daughter took me to, it was not labeled that Paper Studio was on sale for 40% off. So I didn't even bother. I was like, you know what? It's not marked. I don't want to argue with anyone at this moment. Like, I just want to enjoy my day out. So I didn't bother looking at any Paper Studio stuff, anything. And this Hobby Lobby was bigger, but the things that I did get, they weren't even on sale. They were just cheaper. Okay. Or yeah, some of the stuff are sale items because it's Valentine's and Easter. So this is not a sale item, I think. I think this was regular price. I might be wrong. Oh no, it was on sale because this is this part of the spring line. And this was 40% off. So $7.99, 40% off. I picked this little box up. Look at how pretty it is on the inside. But I picked it up for like some of the stuff I want to give away for our Sanrio group, the girls that participated in the Sanrio swap. We're going to do a Zoom session, I guess. And it's going to be, I'm going to be doing some giveaways to the ladies, thanking them for participating. And it's the very first one. I'm not going to keep doing this for every giveaway or every swap that I host. It's just this one because we all love Sanrio. So anyway, long story short, I'm babbling. This one is going to be for the giveaway, the box. Now, the Easter stuff is just, these are just stuff for me. The Easter stuff was also 40% off. So I picked up 2 packs of bunnies. And these were $2.99, of course. You know, I'm not going to do the math. It's 40% off. I picked up, I did not see this when my husband took me to Hobby Lobby. These are acrylic eggs, ornaments. They come with the whole pre-drilled already. You get purple, like a greenish teal, a yellow, and I think this is pink. Yeah. So those are the colors. I picked 2 packs of this up. And then I picked up 2 packs of these pretty little flowers. Purple, pink, white, and blue. And these were $1.99. And they already come with the sticky foam dot. I did grab 2 of the bunny flatbacks. They were $3.49 with the 40% off. And those were the chocolate bunnies and the white bunnies. I did pick this up, the spring polymer clay chips. And they were $2.49. And these are the carrots and bunnies and chicks and even the eggs, cracked eggs. And I thought this was so cute. Comes with a little bit of sprinkles in there. So very cute. Love it. So I got those 2. All right, let's put this back in here for now. like I said, I'm going to use this for one of the prize for the giveaway. And then I got some Valentines, so I did grab these. I think I have 2 of those. Yeah. So Valentine's, Easter, Spring Shop, and Paper Studio are all 40% off. So this one is the wood chips. I didn't see these. They were on my video and I didn't see it until after when I was editing the video. I was like, I meant to pick those up. So I grabbed these 2 packs. I did see these. These are smaller than the Dollar Tree ladybugs. They look exactly like the Dollar Tree ladybugs. It's just smaller size. And I figured these would be really cute. Take off the sticker back and put the clear bail to make it into a charm. So those would be fun for spring and Easter. I did grab 2 of these. This is another thing I meant to grab and I didn't. These are the little velour. You know, they feel like velour. Like those sweats, you know. $3.99 at 40% off, and you get a bunch. So I got those. And I did grab these stickers. These are the faux wax seals. Be Mine, Love, XOXO. Very cute. 2 of those. I only grabbed 1 of these. Why? I don't know. But I just grabbed 1. And you get 90. So 30 of each color. It's not bad. Not a bad deal for $3.99. Okay, and then the last 2 items, I picked something up for my daughter, and then we got out of there because good thing, because it was just I was getting carried away. So these were also part of the Valentine's Day line. So these are 40% off also. I grabbed the purple heart, and then I grabbed the pink plate. And I thought those would be so cute on my table for Valentine's Day. And so something like that. Isn't that cute? And these will go with the Easter stuff. But that's what I got from Hobby Lobby. And then I went to Marshall's. I shared this with our Sanrio group. This is the only thing I picked up at Marshall's. And my daughter spotted it right away. It is the Hello Kitty tumbler. How many ounces? Does it say? Doesn't say because the sticker's covering it, but it was $9.99. And I love it. This is going to be so fun. I love this. I was only hoping that it was available in different colors, like purple, you know, because I'm a purple girl. But no, they didn't have it in purple. So I picked one up. I bought my daughter one also because we both love Hello Kitty. But yeah, that is it. That's all I spent, guys. Plus, well, including my haircut. So it was a lot. Anyway, if you follow me on Instagram, you could see some pictures. I'll share some pictures on my Instagram with my before and after photos of my hair because it was super long, ridiculous. And I'm happy. I'm happy. So happy. Anyway, that's it, guys. If you're new here, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button and join our Crafty family. And while you're at it, if you want to be alerted when I upload new videos or when I go live on my channel, hit the notification bell and that will notify you when I do. But yeah, guys, happy New Year. Happy Valentine's Day coming soon. And I hope you're doing well. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Yay! Bye.